go. Okay, so a bit down today, but it's no problem. So da. Hello, and today we are going. That's correct. We are gonna do some cool stuff. But what did we do yesterday? Do some cool stuff, right?
Yesterday we finished up the endpoints.
No, we didn't do it yesterday. Hello.
Hello.
So now, like, okay, so today Lily is gone. So yesterday night we watched Monty Python. That's why it's there, you know. And
it was awful.
It was okay. It was just like very. It's just everything was. I mean, I don't know. There were lots of songs, and I'm not a song people. So.
I'm a song person.
And yeah, but you also didn't like it, so it didn't work for you.
Yeah, because it wasn't very funny.
Yeah. So today, let me see. Can I add? Okay. So basically today we're gonna work on the front end. So I am kind of like ninja setting up the
Vue project.
The Vue project, just like the basic. Good word. So the Reviewtionist, and then so I'm gonna put it into like front end and make a folder.
Oh yeah, front end folder.
Or actually, we need to do create, right? We can do like
I mean, show people.
Huh?
Show people.
No, because I don't wanna. Like it's 2 seconds and then it just auto.
Yeah, it's just we
so
installed Vue Cleave or like CLI, whatever.
CLI, yeah. Command line interface. So yeah. So see, now it's faster. So basically, yeah, I'm not showing because it's just like it's one command that I copied from somewhere. I changed the name and then half an hour of like
create.
It doesn't matter. But anyway. So yeah, so we watched Monty Python. It was okay. I like Monty Python, but like songs were like, and apparently they were doing it just like to like because they lost the royalties for like the song in Life of Holy Grail. Yes, like spam a lot or something, and so they were like, let's get money back because I had to pay £800,000 for it. Anyway, now it's been set up. So basically, yeah. Now
so basically today we're
so I can show this one. It's just darkness. I mean, it's just darkness.
Yeah, I know. And that's why I didn't. I was like, why are you showing it?
This is darkness. No, nice. So yeah, so
today,
we set it up, right?
We're working on
front end.
So we'll create a front end project, and then we'll just like.
So cd front end.
Neither of us are particularly CSS people. By that I mean we hate it.
We hate it, but it needs to be done.
It's gonna be slightly ugly, maybe.
So now we'll test. So we are starting the server. So see, like it runs. We serve it with npm, and it's building the modules. So
yeah, because I think you need to it needs to build, but then I think you also need to install.
Oh no, I'm just doing what they're telling me. So it's running there. So localhost 8080, and it took like only 10 seconds. But since this is development build, need to do build. Good. So now we'll go and we'll say bye bye to Monty Python, and we go localhost and we do 8080, and then we see what we're seeing. Beautiful, because it's HTTPS. Stop. Okay. So why are you not? I need to force it to HTTP because you're trying like. Can we not do this? I guess because I tried to go locally. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the default.
This is the default page, right?
Yeah. Put on your page.
Yeah.
So you can go and delete all this.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that like really no love at all, and so go. And so we can do the switch. So we start the switcher. Anyway, I think that should be fine. People can hear us, people can see us. And hello Ikisi, how are you today? What are you up to? In the meantime, bow. Okay, now we're going. Go. So I know it's my turn to be like chill, you know. Like,
why is it your turn to be chill?
Because you always chill every day. Anyway, so you have to kind of guide me. So this is app view, and this is the the thing, right?
Yeah, this is the thing.
And the main.js, just
Don't touch it.
Don't touch. So now we want to have a.
So it's not really the thing. So in here they have put the hello world component. So if you go inside the components,
I know,
folder,
but there's like hello world message welcome to, and like this is a template, right? So I thought we could work on. So anyway, it's in a component, right?
Yeah. So this is all that stuff. So we can.
We're gonna just copy it and destroy it or rename, actually better. And we call it home page.
Okay.
So this is gonna be the home page, and here is not gonna find it, I guess, because we need to do a home page. And we say import, import. I may release today in work. Very hot. Ooh, 32. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Well, that's like, you know, in Finland, not too bad.
Yeah, that's a nice thing.
Nice.
Finland.
So, so you got. Let me see. In the release today in work. Oh, okay. Release for.
So you like deployed?
Yeah. What did you work on? So Vetour. Do you know Vetour? Stage. Install. There's no Vetour. Oh, hello. Doesn't matter. So now we see what we have there, right?
Go back to the app.
Yeah, he's sending a
No.
message.
You also need to change the tag. So there's a hello world tag inside.
I know, but wait a second.
Yeah, it's a homepage.
But now, first of all, we do this, right? So hello world and the message, and so in the message you're gonna send this message, so it's gonna put in the inside there, right? And then the image. So this is like class hello the world, and it's gonna ask for a message, right? So we don't know that you really use that.
I mean,
much.
we're gonna use props though, so we may as well leave it.
Yeah. Okay, props. So now we don't gonna clean this up. So to make it simple, so then see it works. We're not gonna send in any message.
No.
And class play main, love it. And so class here needs to be or just this class. Class hello.
Yeah, I don't know whether
There was no hello.
Yeah.
Maybe in the asset. It's just
no, I think
double.
they put CSS inside with the components, so.
Yeah, so, but hello the world. There's no. Okay. So here it's going to be the Reviewtionist.
Yeah.
And here we're going to have a something lol. Hashtag lol. And here we're not gonna call this one because we don't care. We're just gonna have empty, right?
Yeah.
The logo we don't use it. Components we have it. We import. Have. Nice.
Just so rename the tag.
This one.
Yeah.
To what?
Homepage.
No, just
being new.
No, I was just my eyes thought that's it. It works. So and now I think it will automatically update, right?
Last time I was working with you, it did, but
I think it's I need to put enter. I need to press enter so it refreshes. So this is kind of nice. Wow,
I love it.
I love it already, right?
Yeah, such good styling.
Nice, so nice. So now we need to do, like, we want to replace the lol with at least a get. Okay, it works. Yeah,
it's not like it's just local. So, but they have like this hot rebuild thing. Where it's
just press enter.
Yeah, I know, but even without enter, it would work for me before a year ago.
I mean, like if I do enter, maybe I don't know.
Maybe
let's see. Let's kill it. So I kill it. I'm gonna do it here, so then we can show it. Because maybe like it's not nice already. Okay, and npm.
Like run serve.
Down and out. Time's up.
Run serve. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it. Ooh. Because npm is not restore this.
3, 2, 1, go.
What the?
I'm just gonna kill. Yeah, I'm gonna do this like switch, kill this one because I think the
Needs to
needs to be,
update or something.
yeah. So now we are back. City frontend. No. So I think it's maybe the answer.
Well, why not? Well, that's just so. Okay, so inside there's like a configuration file. I think it's package.json. Yes, and you basically have like little kind of npm scripts. So you call them. So inside, go inside package.json.
Hang on a sec. I'm trying to. Bam. Now works.
Okay, I think. Yeah.
So now it's your turn, by the way. So
Yeah.
so I had just to. Okay. So I had to just fix things and then boom. Now you. So yeah, that's what she was saying, and my answer would have been.
Okay, so
I
yeah.
don't know, just because you had to
Okay,
work.
so basically inside the package.json we have our scripts. So when we do npm run serve, it calls this and build this one. Lint
It's
this
just
one.
the way like
And
Vue sets up.
Yeah. No, it's not Vue. It's all like.
I know, but like we set up the Vue
Yeah,
project and
exactly,
it's made by Vue, so we don't ask questions.
And it's basically just kind of a dummy HTTP thing too.
HTTP server, yeah.
And then.
That's all.
Yeah. So there's nothing like special.
Yeah, that's how it works. So now you need to do a GET request to our own endpoint, which at the moment we're not running, but it's fine.
Okay, I've like forgotten how to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So.
No, what did you do?
I just can't remember how to do this.
Ah, okay.
Like, because I think in some library. It's just been too long.
No, it's no problem. No.
But there used to be
processing Ajax. If you get
we
the
don't want Ajax.
Ajax, synchronous JavaScript. Ajax we want.
No, we don't, because Vue has its own thing. So, so we want something like this, but they changed around the packages. So I just see this is in 2015.
But hold on. 2015. Yeah.
So we want like a.
So put 2018.
Yeah. We want the latest cool package for get requests, basically. Resource.
Yeah, just check.
How nice is it? I mean, this looks fine.
Yeah, but you need to add like your resources, right?
So we just need to do npm install Vue resource.
No, yeah, do it through the.
Or
So Visual Code. So kill this one. Okay.
I'm trying to split.
Control C.
Oh, it doesn't allow you to split.
Control C. Yeah. Control V.
No, I know, but like.
And then enter.
I know how to.
And then you wait. Yeah, you wait. Or you click buttons.
Because for me, I can right click and then split the terminal in half.
Or maybe there's icons.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's kind of easy, you know, like there's like a
yes.
UI and then you use it and that's it.
So annoying. Okay.
Anyway, so it's done. In the meantime, we go back and do. So then we can also run.
So we run this, we run our backend at the same time as our frontend.
Yeah. I need to set. Okay, I'll do later this one.
Yeah. Killing my time.
Okay, I'm helping you.
Okay, so then we go back. And
so you do no. Up.
No,
okay.
no.
If you want it.
Alternatives.
Okay.
So we just need to do this.
So I mean, I would like to do this, no problem. I'd like to finish this.
Okay, so inside our homepage component, we go
Props, we
into
don't need.
the props is fine. We're gonna
So loud. Again in the bar.
like, what the fuck?
What is going on, guys?
Okay, so I
Need to define a method, right?
get pages.
Pages, yeah. Yeah, ControlV.
Thank you.
No problem, no problem.
I'm so glad you're here to help me with that.
It's, you know, it's the new things, you know, small things.
Okay, what's
API.
I mean, we need like localhost, right?
No, this is just. You mean the whole thing? Okay, HTTP. No, HTTPS. Slash. Yeah. A new keyboard, new life. Localhost 999. But now you're killing my time.
Well, you do it.
Okay. Because I thought it would be quick, but instead like it's kind of like.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm slow, man.
It's okay.
I'd like to take my time.
You take your like a long time. You know, it's
Yeah,
fine.
I like to take a long time.
Anyway, we need to set up and just wanna switch this one. Boom and and then we can run the backend and then go run. Okay, yeah. So now we should be running, and we can also do a little test here actually. And we do a nice localhost API pages, add page. And obviously, we don't like you. Why you? Beautiful. So that's because actually I'm gonna try on Postman because yeah, with this like I mean I understand that it's okay to have HTTPS right now, but like all this
It's because of your firewall, right?
yeah, but not only it's just because it's rubbish. Yeah, so it's okay. So this is the so we don't have pages, so we need to put some pages, right? Let's put the page.
We do have pages.
No, on yours, not on mine. So we put one page and we call it lol at Lolandia. Then we got one. It's going to be called Reddit.com.
Put it Reddit.
Reddit. Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 pages, and I'll do another one which is going to be called Twitch.tv, and we call it Twitch lol. Okay, so now if we get we get them. Okay, boom.
Okay.
Sweet. So now we can show you guys because we're in darkness there.
Yeah, just like
pretty flash. But yeah, okay. It just seems beautiful. But I think. So
looks promising.
Okay, wait a second. Close this one. Close that one. Okay. Okay, so now we can switch back. Sorry for the mess.
Just jumping around.
Jumping around. Okay.
All we
So
did
now we
is
got
stop.
this one, and then this some data ResponseBody.
Yeah.
But inside these pages.
Yeah.
No, because we need to parse this, right?
No, it's right.
So we do like console log.
Sure.
Because I'll leave it to you, don't problem. Okay, cool. So yeah, 2 errors found. Response is defined by navigation. Huh?
What's PUBG?
Player unknown battlegrounds, like battle royale games that people play. Shooting. So, 3 errors found. So no console.
I think it's
Window.
No.
Go.
I think it's the like.
Response. Oh wait. This one.
I think get rid of the extra response. Like what?
Arrow.
Why did you copy it?
Arrow.
I think it's styling errors. I don't think it's a big deal.
1 error found. Unexpected console. No console.
Don't worry about it. It's
Okay.
probably running fine.
Okay, you go. Switch.
Where are we now?
Yeah,
Okay, so we're just
switch.
showing that basically nothing happened.
Nothing was shown.
We're
Because
like,
it's like not allowing me to like console there. So I think there's some blockage.
maybe is do we have
We have everything shown.
with? So I want to show the console command thing.
But you don't need to.
I don't need to.
But I mean, maybe you have to switch this to. Wait, here. What do you mean? The thing we are doing.
Oh yeah, sure. That's why. I was wondering where I got.
So I don't know how to. Yeah, we don't need that one because it's like. So I think yeah, that's better like that. I mean, it doesn't look good, but. Okay, so yeah, go on. Basically you need to like put it somewhere and then read it. Hey, no, it's okay. Like that one. So the ResponseBody needs to be going to an object, maybe whatever. Can this?
Yeah.
Or like we can do it there. No, it doesn't have to be. Like we don't need to do props. But like now the ResponseBody needs to be parsed into something. So.
But it should just be able to console log it out.
No, it doesn't. It says like it's allowed.
Okay.
Not allowed.
Yeah, I know. I just want to read what the actual error says.
It says there is like a rule called no console.
I know that's the rule, but I think it's a lint error.
I know, but then if it says there, it says you can disable it. Yeah. It says like you need to put something on top. Scroll up. See, disable. Scroll down. You can disable
Sure.
that.
This is
No. Next line.
like right above it, you mean?
Just put it there. And we'll see. Compile successfully.
Okay, beautiful. Yeah. Whenever I was like when I was working for the Chinese company, like the guy I was working with immediately put that every time you have to record.
Okay, go.
Nothing is being logged. Let's like look at the network. Okay, there we go. It's not even calling it.
Yep. So it means like we're not. What? Because it's not being called at the function, right?
Oh yeah, of course. Great. Okay. So I can't remember what the main method is. Like there's like a method like on star or something. So you on like load or something like that. I can't remember what it's called. Yeah, let's look at this component. they're called like event hooks, I think. Let's see. Let's go to documentation at the side. Let's see, event handling.
Down and out. Time is it. Three, two, one, go!
Okay, let's see.
Created. That's what we want.
So methods. Hello.
Hello.
How are you, bro? So
Yeah, and let's keep it consistent. So get rid of function. Get rid of it. Get rid of the everything between. Nope. The colon. Get rid of it, and the spaces up to. Yeah, like that.
So it doesn't go in methods or outside?
No, it's outside. It's like an event.
So like these go.
Get pages. Okay, now we can see it.
How comes? What happened? HTTP undefined. These HTTP.
Oh, maybe you need to like import it. Let's go to the library and say
hello. Thank you. So we're gonna expect loads of hello. So now we're working on so let's see, we are okay. And now install struct tracer.
We're working on a front end, so Vue.js project, and so far it's
okay, yeah.
it's okay.
Yeah, so almost okay.
Almost okay.
So this is HTTP. So why is it not?
Yeah, why is it undefined?
It's a plugin, right?
And then we can look for like more examples. Maybe.
Yeah. Docs tests. Okay, so view resources. It's retiring.
What?
Retiring.
Oh, really?
View prototype HTTP. So.
Oh yeah, Axios was something we were also using.
So
No, I know.
Great
but they had
job.
this whole phase
Great job.
where there was like different
This doesn't mean
packages.
it's no longer the feature recommendation.
Let's change to Axios. Whatever.
Hello everyone, guys.
I bet there's a new one now though, because that was the thing. I thought I got confused which one was the old one. And
No, but we can do this one, right? So, we need to do this. We need to do like prototype.
Okay, but we need to install Axios as a.
Also, like we have to install like
we
everything.
can like uninstall the other one.
Poof.
Yes.
Access is not defined. Damn.
Just do like yeah.
Okay, so we have to reinstall.
npm
so
install
uninstall.
Axios.
Uninstall.
I don't know. I've never tried that before.
You just uninstall stuff.
No, I just.
Just like install. It's like forever.
No, and then I'll just like delete it from the package
Yeah,
to JSON.
right.
I just won't care about my local version, which
Okay,
is
so
obviously the wrong thing to do.
okay, let me check that. Oh no, I install.
Oh, how can you uninstall something you not even know?
You can't, but like, if okay, and in the meantime we'll check for the loads here. So should we show it or what?
Funny picture.
Oh, it's
It's meant to be uploaded.
okay. So yeah, I don't know, like Vue.js. I don't know why I said we should do it.
What?
Wait.
You want to
So
be using jQuery? Like,
yes,
really?
it's okay. It's easy.
Okay, then
So we're starting and we're building. Now it's your turn to get it to work. Okay. Any error? See, actually not defined.
3, 2, 1, go.
So maybe.
Yeah, maybe let's just look into this whole
we just, like,
undefined
search.
error instead of just installing new packages.
So
Just make it with Vue
yeah, because yeah,
because React apparently also has an access.
yeah, that one.
This one?
Yeah. I need to import access from access. No?
Yeah. I thought we would have to do something like this.
Okay, copy and now switch it. Oh wait. Yeah, so view means adding plugin. So it's not plugin. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
So we did this?
You already did this. Yeah, it's okay.
No, we did the HTTP.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, that's true.
It's just a different name. The thing is, it doesn't find Axios. So I import. Yeah. So no. So we're not doing this. So
Let's just try it. Like import
I know, but
Axios.
let's we go to the page there then. No.
Which one?
No. Third page. Yeah. And then we search here, right? So it's not like. Yeah. So
Yeah, of course. Using.
yeah,
I mean, I still use jQuery when it's like
just simple.
really simple. Yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
Yeah, I mean.
Anyway, yeah. I chat. You do okay.
I'm gonna try this import thing. I think it's worth it, even though everyone's still having problems. Like it's main.js.
You know what? Because we have used it there, right? Maybe it's wrong to have it here.
Maybe.
One warning. Action, another one. Yeah, do your import thingy.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, good job. Control Z.
Import Axios from Axios.
Axios load.
No. What is it when you? Oh.
Os.
See,
Well, wow, like.
I
good
told
job.
you.
And
Thank you.
thank you, Nubunse. I can't say. You say.
Noob say.
Noob say.
Say. Okay, so
And
now,
hello everyone else who's worse is when
Who's
people learn
talking?
React. Yeah, like I think they should just not do any front end, like, or like refresh. Network error. Oh yeah.
What?
Request blocked.
Pause request did not succeed.
Yeah, cross origin. Well, yeah, but different. Yeah, because we need to the same name. Put localhost there. That's gonna like. Yes, annoying.
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to. Okay, I think I have something already, right? So. Okay, so. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean frontend's just like that nowadays. Like it's about like the latest, latest buzz or whatever.
I think like okay. So what we can do now?
I think there's packages though for like
No, yeah, I understand, but that's not it's silly. We just have to like rename this onto one. So it's as long as the same, same.
Yeah.
And then if it's not, then we cry. Because it's not a different port, I guess.
Is this a error we're getting from the back end?
No. Cross origin blocked. Unhandled promise rejection network error. So now you're gonna leave me with this like nasty
Oh,
error.
it's a yoga now.
Yeah, it's my
Yes.
go. It's just like
It's not nasty. Everyone gets this.
okay, guys. If you know how the way out, just help us. Right?
Yeah.
It's so annoying.
3, 2, 1, go.
So how can I fix? Yeah. The thing is, it is in the same place, but
Same origin.
same origin. Yeah. Just go again as backend and site use. Yeah. So it's the backend rejecting actually.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And so here is the router and use middleware. So you can go mux course config course. So yeah, this is similar. Edit. Can you show? Go get course, then you run your server. That's okay. So handlers allowed origin all. So this is what it does. So yeah. So this is not so hard. So handlers. What is this? So this basically we're using the
Our backend's
our
Golang.
backend Golang. Yeah. So that's.
So we need to tell it to handle different origins.
Yeah. So this one should be okay. So we kill that one, and then we go to the server and we fix it. Main web server. Exactly now. We have a bunch of like H is the header, and then we should have a serve is a server. So I wonder if this is what type of server is the server. So handler, connection state, because we need to get the handler. So handler is mux. So if you do mux. Okay, so maybe this okay. So that's it.
Oh, error.
Server mux. So then server dot handler. Handler is mux. Server mux. Okay, so let's check a bit more. You see this like handlers. We're importing them. Listen and serve, but we are like that's not how you do it. We don't have like packages for that.
Yeah.
So mux router, new router, user, account, handle. See, we got this one. This one we can do it. So just gonna set the this one up. since we are like have a place where you can set in this one, so access control, so
Yeah, just H.
so I'll access allow, we don't have it, so now we can try again and allow. So now we are running it and maybe sure. Oops,
Oh,
oops.
undefined.
We love the undefined. I mean, do we? I'm not sure. Then it shouldn't give
At
undefined.
least no error.
So at least we are running something. Okay. So now we can clean this up, and I'll try it at that. So now it's like before allows me, now it doesn't allow me because I changed that one. Can just go quickly from, and if you put S, so S works. Can we clear this up?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, your turn.
Oh my god.
So params response. Oh yeah, so response is
Yeah,
okay.
so we got
Because
it.
it's body. Because you're doing dot body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's
So
true.
wait. I don't think we are showing this because I was doing it quickly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Go.
Okay, so we just checked and we.
No. Go out. Yeah, because we're not showing this bit.
Oh,
So
yeah.
So because we are doing response.body instead of
Yeah,
response.
we just copied and pasted like
response.
moms.
Yeah.
But it's actually.
As usual.
Actually we get exactly what we want, so that's
So
beautiful.
switch.
Switchy. Oh, mistakes.
Switch.
Switch. Okay, so now we can just like
The just response.
Yeah, we just want the response. Okay.
And then we need to find out how to parse that into pages, into like components actually.
Yeah.
Just,
So
you know, and then oops. Yeah. Well, show that it works.
Okay.
First we get it to work because otherwise we can't move on.
Okay. Now we're here. Sorry, switching the scenes is like really difficult.
So yeah, if you go console, we have the object data.
Okay,
so we got config, we got those are tokens.
So we want to do .data.
.data, okay. Nice.
And now we switch back because now we actually have an idea of what we're gonna do.
So data, okay.
So
we need to put in the props.
Yeah, well I think we should put in props. Or is it
because
props or there's like some data thing magic?
Then you have to switch in, sure.
Yeah. Okay, let's do a bit of research on how
so now we need to basically given some JSON we want to fill up. And maybe we kill like some pages we don't need.
Yeah, let's kill all pages.
No, some things might be I know this one we need. I think this is gonna teach us. The fiddle is gonna teach us. So
and
don't
I also think we should go to view documentation.
I think this one's gonna teach us.
Okay, we're gonna copy. Okay, so they call it data. Yeah.
So items. So you put something into the items, and if it's not null, then it's gonna
you go like this.
So do like this.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna just copy this. Do we want a list?
Yeah. For now we want the list, and then we do. Beautiful. Change of you forgot.
Yeah, I just forgot. To be honest.
No, you forgot the wording next wording. So this one we call them pages.
Yeah.
Right. LOL can go.
I quite like it.
Okay, you like it? Okay, it stays. So at by so this we don't care.
Okay.
Because we're gonna have only two.
What are we gonna have?
Only two. For now URL and
okay.
MBR is fine, no? Or you want an align?
Yeah, I want an align.
So put the dash here. So commit. So in ours is going to be just see the structure. Switch. Okay, so we do boom switch back. So now we study the.
Yeah. Now we're just like seeing. Okay, where did this whole like commit thing come from?
Okay. So we have page ID we can also have page ID, URL, and title. And so now we can forget about page ID, and we're gonna have URL and .title. So in there, just switch. Yeah. In here, you don't put commit dot. You just put page like URL and title, or title URL, because like it's gonna say for each
I get that, but I thought it would be like pages, like page and pages or something like that, and then you could do like page.url. But maybe not.
Maybe like it is already. And here you put pages equals null.
Oh, we can just have it empty, right?
No. Okay, yeah, sure. The other one is uses null.
Okay, we have null. We like, okay.
You don't use
follow
equal.
these people.
Equal. Pages.
I think it's like this.
And pages. Is it?
It's like JSON.
Ends with comma. So check.
What's this potentially fixable error?
Data property must be a function.
Ah.
But the other guy doesn't have it. Are you sure?
Maybe he does.
Are you sure?
I mean, that's what it's telling us.
I think we are maybe confusing.
Time's up.
Let's see. I mean, it tells us.
Yeah, but how do you like data?
Oh, I know it, because this is the main. This is the main app, and in components and the main app is slightly different. So inside a component, it has to be a function.
Okay, so we'll believe you.
Yes.
Guys, we're gonna believe it, okay?
It's because it's the truth.
It's true. It's the truth. Okay, so that and then equals.
No, this dot pages.
Wait. Like data and then. So that's it. And then for each, we're gonna let me say try it.
I don't think we need the at, to be honest.
I will say pages is used set up and never defined. These dot pages no.
No, it's.
Pages no.
Oh, why is there a semicolon after no? Wait, just do that.
Because it puts automatically. It says sorry this. Because I think then this is not these dot pages, it's like data pages.
I don't think so.
Data is not defined.
Let's have a look. Let's pick it up.
Then you put in props, no?
No, because that's a different thing. It's because you could have returned. Oh, tricky stuff. Thank you.
Can we do like high five? No emoticon. Sorry.
Guess. Okay, so data.
Return.
See.
Thank you.
That's why they were trying to put a semicolon on it. I think you can get rid of the semicolon now.
I mean, I don't put it. Okay, yeah, it's there. So now what happens?
And then this, it should be this, not dot.
Was. Okay.
I feel like
let's
our stream is more like people teach us.
URL is not defined.
I told you.
It's okay. In field resolve the directive. So then we do view repeat on JSON data. So because maybe it's null, so it should be put into empty. So items, see items. It just puts it like that. Need to initialize maybe.
Yeah, it's empty.
Yeah. So maybe null works with that. that guy's way, but not for us. For us needs to be. Thank you, Mister. Ooh, okay.
Thank
Help
you.
us and subscribe. Subscribe, follow.
Wow, you're
Thank
like
you.
our favorite.
Okay, so now we'll try, and I think this might be more. Ah, we got this.
Oh,
Beautiful.
yes, I told you we don't need the ads. Bam.
I remove like ninja remove. Okay.
I think
So now-
the ad is for when you have a backend and you're serving it from the backend,
Ah.
and your
Okay.
framework also uses.
Okay. That's very interesting. So, items. See, it should be the same.
Let's have a look.
And TBL we don't need, right?
Maybe we need. Yeah, no, they should already have done that for us in the like.
Let's analyze.
This is inside the app.
Name app. Components. There's no like. So it's not there. Shall we do it?
Did you delete it?
No. I know that your mind is blown currently, but can we move on?
But it's working, like more or less. I don't think that's the problem.
I don't think that's a problem.
Because I think that would be cause
That'd
way
be
more
sick.
problems.
Okay, so data, items. So your code works fine for me. I wonder if it's because it's
It's an object.
This is
not
data.
An array.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Are you Vue master or Vue sensei?
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, it's my go now.
Yeah. Wait.
3, 2, 1, go.
So pages. So here we just do response, right? And here we do data. And it's my
No.
field.
It's not gonna work. I'm just like guessing.
Very close. Very close. You know.
Yeah,
So, but also says fail to resolve directive.
a React guy.
So,
Even cooler.
so Slayer out like has been chatting shit about like React. So so do you work in a company or what do you do?
Yeah.
Ibubu.
List rendering.
Yes, that's not working. Item in items.
See, I told you.
I understand.
Okay.
The other guy didn't say it. Like because
He
for
was-
us it
he
was
had
a
an
repeat.
object,
No,
yeah.
we were doing repeat.
Yeah, maybe they have. Let's look if they have repeat in it.
No, we repeat. Repair.
No.
Okay.
It's,
So somewhere else. But it's
Somewhere
okay. Let's try that one.
Yeah, we
Make you
do.
more familiar with the. Like
yeah,
a
it's
for
just
loop.
V4 and before. That's what I was expecting.
Okay. I mean, you know how it works for us. As long as it works and it's not too ugly, it's fine. So-
Such high standards here. Let's go. Yeah, this is pages for.
Repeat is deprecated in favor of V4. So you were right. Pages. Okay, see? And it's still an error, but
Yeah, well now we need to do like.
I don't know, but still an error there.
Yeah, what's that? Oh.
And then like, okay, so fix the easy things first. No. Go back. No, go back. So fix the easy thing. Go down. And here like put the dot data since we are. Okay, and then go up. And there put page.url, page.title.
Ooh, I know why. It's.
So elements iteration, wait. P bind key. Yeah. Just put the thing.
Yeah.
Maybe because it's not being used. And put in title. But we have 2 errors for now. So 1 error found. So go up. I mean, look at the error. Scroll less.
I think.
Expect to have v bind key. So I need to bind. Just look at
Let's
it.
look at.
So it could be like we'll just do some silly things. Yeah, just like search this one.
Oh, yeah, something. I can't remember what binding means, but I do recognize. What? I do recognize that little binding thing.
So yeah, so put the thing in front. Ah, okay. Well, that's cool.
Should we look into what it means?
Yeah. So let's do proper copy. So this solved it. So
Thank you.
thank you again. So in the meantime, we'll search it out because we don't know, and we refresh.
Oh, look at it. It was there for a moment.
I know, but it was not there anymore because
Page is undefined.
it has no ID now. Yeah, that one. So apparently we broke it, even though there's no error. I don't think we had it. I don't think before we had it. I mean, still your phone. When using Vue, a key is not okay. Hold on. I think it was correct. When binding means bind something to something. It was this maybe. So I think we need to take it out actually for us, and that's the linter just telling us to bind it. So maybe we don't need a bind because try it. Remove the bind. So even if the linter is going to tell us it was wrong. Oh, okay. Because I'm just saying because see
Yeah,
it works.
no, it works.
Delete.
So that's what I'm saying. I think the linter is complaining, but we don't need it because it is what we want. So here it says you should. Ah yeah, disable. Key not required.
It's ESLint is
Yeah.
easy.
I think it's the.
I know.
We'll learn a new one. So yeah, VS Code. Yeah. Maybe I can try to fix it by doing.
Don't fix it.
I don't fix it.
Maybe just no worth our time.
Okay.
Okay, we don't care.
So done, and I think we can do disable now. Like
Yeah,
we did,
Oh.
No, there was something like we did.
Yeah, I know. It was like ESLint disable.
Okay. Thank you. So this works,
So that pages.
but what we didn't do is a new line.
Yeah.
No, that's okay. Okay, boom. It doesn't work there.
At the top.
Yeah, but it doesn't work there.
We don't care.
Okay.
So now we want.
So now we have it working, and we want a new line. Oof.
Beautiful.
So because we have this one, so I think it's because we have only. So this one should make it like one per page.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not like.
So this is how it is,
And now let's add a button or something.
yeah, wait. Because even that one we don't care. So okay. So now we need to add a button, right? So we add it with our beautiful. So we are gonna use for this one maybe that UI since it's there. Distribution, okay. So let me go and copy this up. Downloads it.
Or super expert then.
Okay, cool. So source.
Oh, before version 1.
Whoa. Okay. Okay, so this is the index, right? So this what is this? So say we want to add, like I want to add CSS, right? Or like flat UI or something already. I want to import it. How can I import it?
Something to look up.
Okay. Because for example, now we want to like set up these buttons, right? Unless we don't care anymore.
I mean, we don't care.
Okay, we do it another day. So now what we want to do is
We just make them ugly now.
one ugly and then we fix them. Okay, so and then I think it's on click. Oh, but we don't really. Or we can do like yeah, button or link. Button. Then on click something.
No, we do our own method here.
We do. So we need an ID, I guess.
No, that you're thinking jQuery. Just put in your button with nothing.
And here I want like
Time's up.
Oh, also CSS with this.
wow.
You like have all the skills we need right now.
Okay, we need you. Oh, wait.
3, 2, 1, vai.
Wait. So
Just
maybe
lost,
for the people who don't know what the heck is going on, you can say.
Okay, we're in India and sometimes the electricity goes. But
And
luckily,
it's one of those days.
it's one of those days.
And so pure darkness.
It's my go now. I think.
Yeah. And you have to fix also the new line because it annoys me. Okay, I want you.
Oh wait.
Okay, new line. Oh no. I have to fix new line.
Yeah, I have to show people how to fix it.
No, I have to look it up. No?
Yeah, it's just this VR thing that you're not.
No, he's not doing it. No, it has to be for which, like, I think that because we're doing the 4 in the li instead of doing the ul.
Oh yeah, maybe. Oh,
So move
that's
it up.
good.
No, we are like, I don't know, the name is like digital nomads, I guess.
We're now accepting.
So this is, yeah, we accept it. And so we travel the world and work remotely and things like that. So it's our life is always holiday and normal life.
Is it?
It's always like school trips. Ooh,
Oh,
say,
yeah,
told
see?
ya.
Also, you're like,
Need to put spaces.
yeah, because you deleted them.
No. And so so that's kind of what we do. So now we are in India. We've been in India for about 3 months. Before we were in Nepal, before we were in China, before we were in Japan, in Taiwan. So we're doing like all Asia for the moment, and slowly another. Next stop, Sri Lanka. We're gonna go there actually next week. We're gonna be streaming there from there, I think.
No.
Oh no. In 2 weeks we're gonna be streaming for there.
Maybe,
Ish. Next week we're gonna go on the way to like the airport slowly. Because the airport is on the other side of India, so and then next we're gonna go to Maldives for like that's actual vacation, so that's the only vacation we can say, but we're gonna just do our stuff. Maldives is gonna be cool, huh?
They probably still won't be holiday.
Yeah, but no, it's never fully holidays.
It's always half holiday, half real
half
life.
work, half like enjoy life. And you
Half
were,
like crying
yeah.
about
What were you
not
from?
getting freelancing jobs.
She cries a lot. And you, like, where you from, or where do you work at? Got. Go to page. Big, you see? Yeah, like, we've got.
Don't say that.
My biggest fear is mosquitoes, and I got over it.
Your biggest fear is mosquitoes? What?
Because I don't want to be bitten, and like, yeah,
That makes no sense. Like,
No.
my biggest fear is like being attacked by a giant animal.
Yeah, no, it's not my biggest fear, but it's like my realist fear.
Yeah, because
Like, I know they're gonna do it.
like
Like a monster.
Oh, actually no, because we don't want to do this.
Why not?
Because we want to like go to a new page or something.
Yeah, so he needs to go to his own, like, he needs to go to the href.
Ooh.
Thank you. So the button should be a link.
Yeah, not a link, but like a router thing.
No, come on, make it easy. Why a router?
Because
Just a
you
link.
need to
It's just a link.
like reload the component.
Do it. I mean, if you go. Yeah, because then it's a route, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So mostly work remote. Wait. Let me check. College. Okay. Okay, that's good. I mean, you seem like
Yeah.
CSS wizard already, so it's
Like
good.
front end expert.
So counter +1.
Yeah, this is what I was looking at for the event, but then I realized
We want to like
Yeah.
click to somewhere else. Because now, like, if we go in slash something, doesn't happen, right? Like, nothing changes.
Yeah,
It's gonna be the
exactly.
same page. So routes. I mean, for now, I think it's okay that you click and you just go somewhere else. But is this what we want?
Yeah, because it's a new page, right? We want to go to a new page.
I know, but like, what I think, this should load a new page. You load a new page, and then when you land in that page, the component will already do its job, so you don't have to actually tell the component you're reloading.
Yeah, you don't. But I think you do need a router.
I know, but that's only when you land to the page. So it's the difference between going directly into the page and then the page knowing what to do.
I don't understand.
I understand that you don't understand. So the difference between having a link that makes you go like
Time's up.
So if I click the button, it goes into, let's say, slash something, right?
3, 2, 1, go.
Slash whatever, boom.
Yeah.
So the button does this, that's it.
Yeah.
Then the app, when I go there, needs to know, oh, there is slash something, and that is a router. It is a true thing. It's
No,
different.
it's not. There's just a Vue router and it handles all of this.
Okay, so
There.
this one.
Yeah.
So I have no idea. No.
Yeah, so you have the router link components.
Yeah.
Oh no, it was way nicer before.
I hate it. It's too wide.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. So router link to. So we do this inside.
Okay, but we need to get make sure we have the component.
Routes. And here it just goes router link to that one. Then we define these routes, path, component. So these we need to do this one, right?
Yeah.
And the router, routes. So we need to have, and then we have put in the router as well. Okay. So is this included?
I don't think so.
Nothing included. Installation.
We can check the package station.
Install.
Oh, it's internal apparently. He says it's
Is internal? Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna put this. If you have your router already, router link is internal.
Let's check out package.json.
Hmm? No, we need to check.
Can we see the HTML tags?
In chat.
In the chatty.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So I think we need to install it because it's not there. And so it needs to be here, right?
No. Inside main.js.
Ah, yeah, sure. I wrote yeah. But we don't have it. So here we don't know. So we need to do a star.
No, we call it something. It's whatever the hell we like.
I know because it needs to be this is gonna be the path actually. So this is going to be route because this is going to be app, right?
No, this is gonna be
This is how I install it, and we don't have the install, so we can install it. This is how I install it. Since we didn't have it, install it. So I'm installing it because it wasn't included. And so here we just say now, instead of just going always like through. So okay, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, give me a sec. Import your router. You forward it.
and then gotta use it. Vue.use.
Right after, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it doesn't find, yeah, of course, because we don't have it. Right?
Yeah.
And so this is going to be home page.
Right.
Component, right? And then here is single page.
Copy. What's the error? Oh yeah.
Then we need I'm going to copy it. And then it's going to be
Pow.
edit.
Time's up.
Okay, so no.
There's
Oh yeah,
no
sure.
Go.
So I'm just going to set up
Yeah, just say right something. Oh.
okay, so there you go.
Okay, let's look at the chatty as well. Add import.
Don't remove app from the new view.
Yeah, so I think we need to add like a router view, and I think that's inside our app.view. So instead of having our home page component, I think we have to have our
I see. Okay.
router view. Let's have a
So go like
getting started. So here's the link here. So we want this, and then you can put it. Yeah.
and so I shouldn't have removed the app, right?
What app?
Yeah, no. If you go main.js, So go down. There needs to go into. That's okay.
What did you remove?
Because you said you shouldn't remove the app. But okay.
Okay.
I don't know if that is the right syntax though. But
What?
just the slash star.
Oh, sure. Let's just have something silly first.
So try it. So go and test. It will break, but home page is not defined. So we probably made a mistake in the copy.
Okay.
So that one switch. And then a single page. I'm a single page. I'm a single page.
You have to import
I'm a
it.
single page. Single page.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's inside components.
Okay. Good. That how does this include? Okay. Because this one is already component. So I don't know if what we're doing correctly. Because this is the one routing around, right? Because now we have main.js, which has the routes. I think maybe it's fine. And then when you go into the app, which we never go into the app, right?
It's like our default. It should be our default thing. Because everything's from the app.
Yeah, so this should be app.
No, homepage. Just do homepage.
So then we're never gonna hit app, like, because we don't care. So we're never gonna hit that. Just so you know.
Maybe you go out of test because that one's maybe broke. Okay, we need to understand better.
I think like you mentioned it, so don't remove app from the new view because we are like. So we need to give the routes to the thing and then give the route to view, otherwise no route. So go there and then go into the page. No, it was okay. Unless you know by heart.
Oh no, okay. I thought you.
I have no idea, but I said don't switch. Now there. And getting started, and then there should be something. Mount app. So see, like that seems to be the same. Then go down. Is there anything more? So this route.
Papa, time's up.
Oh, thank you. Okay. It's comma. Because I had it and that's why I removed it because it wasn't working. Let me check one thing. What do we have before? So,
Oh.
whoa. Thank you. That was it. Okay.
I feel like we're just doing stuff without understanding. Okay, but that's still not working.
Yeah, but this one works. Right? The base works. So now we can kind of understand. Thank you, man. So we are definitely hitting app. Now here in the home page, we only have only home page, right?
Yeah.
So because only that.
Oh yeah, please explain.
Yeah, explain. Thank you. So in the meantime, I'll do this because we need this. And then routes. Yeah, I like this one. I'm just gonna have it.
Okay, so you have a router which is supposed to handle routing. Can you get a part from you? Cool.
But how does it know?
So that's what we'll need.
See, path. I did.
Yeah. But first let's get this just test working. Do you want a URL or like title maybe?
Is URL right?
Or like ID.
Because it makes no sense for us. So you need to do with the URL. Route parameter. So we want this one. So now we're gonna test it and see if we can get.
But at the moment it's not even showing our single page like hello thing.
Yeah, no, but this is broken. 0 hours. Boom.
I think it is broken.
So let's read what we got here.
Play dots back.
Okay. So this is like okay, single page.
Yeah, let's.
Because we're doing get page and we don't care get page. We're not doing it. We need to go get page. And this one needs to be page ID. Because get page by URL we have it, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Down and out. Time's up.
Okay, it's my go now. Yes. Thank you. I've been waiting for this.
For what? For not knowing what to do?
You have been like blatantly ignoring me.
Yeah, because you're not like doing it proper.
I know, but I just wanna like,
Yeah,
or at least have like.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean this.
I know, but we can't even get to the like the testing.
Exactly, because it's not being routed there.
Exactly. So I want to fix that first.
Yeah, but it's not because it's going backwards. It's just not hitting that one. That's the honest thing.
Oh, we weren't even on. So did you change it?
Yeah, you can use this. Doesn't go there.
Yeah. Sorry, for a moment there we were in the wrong thing.
Because the name is wrong there. So hello world. And also, are the piece called hello world? No.
Yeah, I think so.
It's called homepage, right?
I think just mentioned it.
But it's the same then. It's good.
Mm,
Let's see if you have any other world here. No. Okay. Open main.js. It's okay, just open main.js. There's no what we're going to do, right?
yeah, that's what we have to do.
But then just like, we're not going to do page. But then if you want to do page, let's do this one. We're going to keep, we're not going to keep with the page. Yeah, it's not going there.
Yeah, we did import.
Yeah, we did that. And do path for each. Yeah, we have that.
Yeah, so we imported each component.
Then we have the routes, we put them in the routes, and then
Got the routes, got the router, spread the app.
spread the Nutella, and then go to app.
Then go to app, and then
This
app.
one router, and then this one has the
We
both.
imported, got the router views. Oh, you don't need components here.
Okay, did it?
Okay, now.
Components. Yeah. But don't need means this shouldn't break it. So.
Yeah, do.
Yeah, but it always look when you change.
So what are we missing? Do we have to maybe put this later?
No, look up online like other examples so we can compare. Because now we have no idea. It's okay. Yes, second. So up, no, yes, go down, down, no. Okay. Street falls, route, okay, route map.
I mean, their style's completely different from ours.
I understand that doesn't matter. Because stars works, so we can use star.
I mean, don't do that.
Okay. So star works. And so what they're doing there is kind of similar because they don't put, it's a different like syntax is the same. So something and component. We just have path and the component. The same. So then go down, really. Then we have startup, app, stand. Okay, that one. And revision, and revision. So go down.
Time's up.
Template, there we go, route. Mess it out.
It's not what we need.
Look up.
3、2、1、行くぞ!
See, it works so. Only thing is that it's not being properly sent around. Okay, I'm gonna check on second and I'm gonna finish this one.
Open sorry.
Is it? Okay, I'm just gonna like quickly add cross router, new router.
We got Vue router.
Yeah.
They just named differently.
Yeah, we have that. Okay, so we have this going on. We are having the pages, the app, the view router. So this should work now. I mean, the same.
Oh,
What changed? Nothing changed. Okay, now I wanna understand what I did different day.
like the history or something.
Yeah, now it works. I mean, it's showing stuff.
Go back to like.
I wanna know what's different. So history. So the mode history. That's
Yeah,
what
you don't
makes,
need to do this.
that's what I now want to. So now if you put com, of course you're not gonna do it, but the URL should be because we don't call it URL. It just has to be called something different. So we need to put it. Okay. It means history. Yeah, I think that's what like it's screwing us, huh? And so now, so now we need to find that. Hash router API. Okay, so the mode is it was. Thank you, man.
Yeah, no stuff.
Yeah, but like, okay. I was just trying to avoid problems with
Time's up.
that we had earlier, like on the back end. That's not working. Maybe double. Does it go double?
Yeah.
Yes. What? Got it? Well, we
You
got
drive
that.
me insane.
Why?
It's just so annoying.
No, we did everything.
Okay, now I'm gonna make these into like the router link.
Well, you're
things.
welcome, by the way.
Well, I'm
What?
not even showing it.
So you would
sad.
you would have like realize it was more history than made us.
No, I wouldn't have. You know.
You wouldn't have done nothing.
Chatting crazy. Okay, so we don't want this button. Instead, we want the. What was it called again? Router links. Yeah, just kidding. Which way we can use it? Yeah.
So let's see how I do it now. You see one button. Is the router link a button or?
I think so.
Okay, so go. And then you need to put the URL, right?
Yeah, so.
No. Start. Okay.
Maybe you don't need.
UE plus. Yeah. Try saving and see what's up. No. I like. No, not so much. Not so much. But so instead of that one, you need to do ID bulk. So you need to bind.
Okay.
But then how do we add stuff to it? Try. Just find the.
So. ID.
No. Says here, if you want to do ID and you want to use that one, you actually just put the colon and you put the same, right? But we're not doing using ID, we do this for 2.
We need the like slash thing as well.
You could use href if you want. Try. Because maybe it already goes there. Yeah. 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 You're welcome, okay?
Oh,
okay. What are you turning on?
Okay,
I mean, you should have studied this. Okay, now go on single page, right?
Yeah, single page.
Yeah, it's cool. Thank you. So now you make the request, right? And terminal phone.
So
Page.
Yeah,
that one we need to like fix this one. Or oh no, I think it's maybe okay, but we're not like reading from page for some reason.
Yeah, we're not doing anything. We're just like printing out at the moment.
Yeah. That's what's missing. Try.
And then so at the moment, and then I get rid of this because I just wanted to have a dummy there.
Okay.
And so maybe now it's good.
There you go. There you go. Click. So. For arrow. Route is not defined, so maybe we need to do something else. Yeah. So.
Sure.
So
it needs
a
the
dollar.
Yeah, dollar sign.
Because I did a dollar and I wasn't very happy with it. Try. Route is not defined as well.
Maybe this door route.
Oh yeah, like that. Yeah, like
Time's up.
Thank you. Fine. Let's see who. So go get some cocktail or something.
Yeah.
Oh,
thank you.
You are welcome.
What? You're welcome.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, you're welcome. See, I tell you. So title should be there. So, okay, it's good. So now what we need also is a score.
Yeah.
So this is going to be super simple, and
We just have it as in.
So -1.
No, just put it in.
Comma.
I think you can just write in. Put a 0.
Oh, just score.
Just score there.
Yeah, you're driving me crazy. So anyway, when then we do copy of this, and on that we go, and then we do this dot page. Thank you. And go to page where I need it. Try. Oh, almost. So close. So.
How is that almost?
Yeah, almost. So score, please. Because maybe we are not getting we're getting empty object, right? So instead of putting inside, say if is the score, and this response data different than just empty. I know I'm gonna do better, but else so
Because it's not a string.
I
It's
know,
like
I know. Yeah, you're right. So no, because you're accessing as a string. So I want to see what is inside, and then that was like something to be like, oh yeah, if it's empty. So page 1.
Yeah, we're getting everything.
So we're not getting. See.
And then the score is empty.
Because we does no score.
Yeah.
So why we have this? This is file, but it should be score. Why go? So 1 for some reason that's 1. So score 1 and response is just that.
Yeah.
So it should work because like our response is literally that, right?
No,
it's just data. The whole response is empty.
I think we can just I know you think it's a string, but it's an object, and so I think you can just compare like it's empty. There'll be something to check if it's empty.
I don't agree, but I'll do it.
An object.
Yeah, no, but I don't want this to be an object. It's not like. So this is what is data dot.
Time's up.
Or I want it as a value, not an object. So I'm gonna have to put it. I want now because I want to see now.
Yeah.
Because then.
Son, need it. Go.
is this, then what we can do is something better. And so now with this change, we have an A when we don't have it, and then instead of having 0 there, so an A is like score 0 means it's bad, and an A means it is no value.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now
Now we need to add
some scores, right?
Yeah, so then we can get a response.
Okay. So now we post.
Oh, it's my go.
And you put it for
Page 1.
page 1.
Post inside
Body.
body.
No.
Body.
I think it already has score is already there as 5.
Let's give it like.
Why
3.
is it not changed?
Because we'll need it in other cases. We'll need to have it separate. So we're just not redoing the endpoint.
Yeah.
Why is it? Oh, is it even running?
And now we're trying to like. It's good. Okay, I think here. I know this is not a div, right? Or is it?
Oh no, not for the post.
Because like you need to set page ID.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Across API score. Okay, let's check. Because I don't remember. I think were we saying like with the get? No, with the page ID, right? So score. I mean, we just go into the unit and say post. Yeah, post on that. And then we go in here and we do fetch all, insert, page ID, score, and user ID. User ID, page ID, and score. Why? It works. DB. So now we're trying to like use Postman to send some value. Path, not fine.
Yeah, because it's get now instead of post.
Yeah, and that's something. But then if we do one, that works. So then the get is working, and the post is not working. Page ID score, user ID. Want to play?
Try to do a get.
Even that's So why is our server not being run properly? This is worse. This works, right?
Yeah, this is working.
To restart it. Okay, so Postman is not working. Well, this one.
Time's
Yeah, it's not worse. Hmm.
3, 2, 1, go!
Why is it the server down? So now for some reason things the backend is not working.
Or it's like half working.
Yeah,
It'd be nice if you get some error log.
yeah, something, but that's not coming up. Couldn't get any response. This one is the response, right?
Yeah.
While if we do get works.
Okay, now it's working. What the hell is that?
I have no idea. I think maybe. Well, I'm not. So yeah, well you can
Yeah.
do your turn.
Okay, so now we're just posting. That was like long us not showing you anything because
Yeah,
Postman
but I was
doesn't
like,
show.
this you do it only for one page, right?
Yeah.
So do for like all three.
Okay, for all three.
And do different number as well, right? The two. And then here yeah, and do a 5. So then we go like
Okay.
different.
Now we've got some variety of schools. So
And then we say
when we refresh, it should show us.
so NA. So
yeah, it's because
no, we don't know yet. So go in network. Go down. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's
So
score.
So dot score.
Dot score. Okay. Oh, where's
Yeah. That one. So by default is NA, and then if
it's not data, right? It's just
just score. Okay. So it's not being set. Okay. Because we never really had set. So it seems to be reverted. Yeah. So click again. We say. So payload is the dot score. Do we have to parse it? Yeah, because it's just we need to parse it as an object. We need to parse it as JSON. Because that before was already okay. So it is not like handled as a JSON already. Just like JSON stringy prior.
no, I really think it's already JSON.
Okay. Go with that assumption.
I'm gonna just log it out.
We can't. Oh yeah, it's gonna complain.
Yeah, that's oh yeah, what's this?
Same. It was the same.
So not working because of the.
Yeah. Yes, link delivered.
Where is it? Home page. Oh yeah. copy.
You can copy that.
Down and out. Time's up.
Let's try.
It's already on that.
So you can show that. Boom.
Delete. 2, 1.
So let's see what's going on. So this is only if.
Oh,
Yeah,
you have
yeah.
obj.
No. This is different. If it's empty, we're doing this. Look at that. Good. Undefined.
So try .data disco again.
I don't think so, but I'll try it. Oh yeah. No, I put data.
You're welcome.
I put data, and you were like, oh no. So the base is there, and now we can go back, go down. 4 out of 5. We just these scores we put earlier. Both 3.5.
It's possible.
Okay, then we change it. I want to see different score. So I'm gonna put another 5. 4. 4. 3.5. So I'm gonna put a 1. 1. Those are ones. So I want to see that actually 2.5. Now it's different. Okay. Great. So let's see our setup frontend. Show all available pages and show score and comments. Comments. We don't have yet. So comments likewise. Now we're pros. Now we know for sure. It's gonna be super easy. It's gonna be the same as this one.
I knew it was the same.
It's the same. It's not a problem.
Oh, you had to do it inside the div.
Okay.
And then we just have one
the class. Or what is this?
You don't have any CSS.
For now, but I always just prepare it. So message and author, okay, but I could do it better. We do author and message. We don't have author.
We don't have author. Yeah, we have user ID.
So as we're getting that, we're also doing comments. In comments, I need to check what is inside because I remember. So I think we need to reload the phone. Oh yeah, we change the
ID.
So post. It's comment, right?
Text.
You read it? No. This website is so cool. Not found.
Get rid of one.
Yeah. So cool is
kind of okay.
so yeah, this is on Postman, but we can show but Postman is annoying. Oh, yeah, because we're still in transition, it's okay. But it looks very bad. And so then we're gonna do it for page ID 1. And for page ID 2, actually we'll do another one.
Okay, well.
Okay, and now we need to get, and we're going to make one, and it's going to be comment ID, user ID, page ID, text. So
we need to close the URL, that's why it's complaining. The other one, not this.
Isn't it?
No, like there's an li and there's no URL underneath it.
Oh, yeah.
Are we changing this?
So we don't. Oh yeah, we need this, and then we do a PR. Then we have that, and basically it's going to be auto, but later.
Yeah, we just have the text now.
So. Almost. This is yeah, I get okay.
Okay, so comments.
But this one is not important. We don't need to do if anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's going to be ResponseBody. We can clean up it.
Yes. I don't like any of that. We do it now, but this one.
Yeah, as long as it works, then like the
Then we fix it.
it's easy to fix that. No. Data.
Yeah.
Well. Oh, we got a little rat.
Oh, where?
Psh.
Oh,
Psh.
where?
Psh.
Oh.
They can't climb. They can't climb. They can't climb. Okay, that's my name, is it? That's my real name, is it?
I didn't even see it. I don't.
You're welcome. Okay, so UL, you need to bind it. Oh yeah, because now we have the same arrow.
Oh,
right?
look at dog swimming.
So dog is the main enemy
Of the rat.
of the rat, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not like it's like cat, right?
Oh.
I mean spacing and
Yeah.
yeah, because it was always the same user, right?
Yeah.
Now it's changing.
It's gonna be what's actually
no.
like when
Just
when
us.
user 1, user 2.
First, yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
so
nice.
clean up, do some lining.
So you mean put a space between
Yeah,
stuff?
you do like horizontal lines at least.
Sorry?
Some sort of horizontal line before and after. Or like comments, write comments.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, you are so excited as you turn, and now like you're scared of the little rat. I mean, a massive rat going on. From doggy, save us. Who puts like full? Like, come on, are we? What are we? Please. And then new line in HTML. Like, are you crazy? There's no rat on table.
Yeah, I know,
okay?
it's a dog.
Wow, so nice. Already loaded.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, but I mean to
Apart
like
from like
bold.
this whole bit.
Yeah, that needs to be like nice to put. But it's okay. Like
It's
you know,
not
it's a base. I mean, it's bad, but it's the base.
It's not bad considering we haven't done any CSS stuff yet.
Can I do boom? No.
You can, I think it's like strong now or whatever.
You're so strong. So strong. So beautiful. What? Hi, it's okay. Where is? No, we're not doing another one. Where is it? Did I save maybe? I didn't save. See,
Oh.
beautiful.
So nice.
So like professional. And then I think what we should have here is a nice little I think since we're using for this, like, what is it?
Like back.
No, like, I mean back no, but we got like two.
Oh.
And now when you go there,
Or you didn't show everything.
when you go there, you go home. It can be an icon or something, you know?
Yeah.
So fast. Are you happy? Okay, and so we have done everything.
Wow.
Impossible.
Thank you.
Kind of. Well, definitely thank you, Kochi QQ. I don't know if that's how you, if it's even like readable, but really like from our hearts. But I feel like we know a little bit better. At least we know how to make this work.
Yeah.
And then, so definitely we'll have to clean up a bit of code and
then make some design, like
some
how we
design
want to
plan.
style it.
Yes. But for next
We're gonna
week, what we're gonna do?
do the Chrome extension.
Ooh, yeah, Chrome extension. So now we're going to do for the base, like just have the thing show up and everything, and base, and so we want like even a page is already gonna take the page and check if there's anything it shows, otherwise she's empty, and that's about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. And so since it's a little bit, still a bit early. So if you guys have any questions or anything that you like need some help with, or I don't know, anything random, we are here. Otherwise, like we'll try to run away from the
rat.
rats. Meantime, I'll push everything.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Okay. So not many comments today. So anyway, then
Yeah, thank you for watching.
thank you for watching, and maybe Saturday if we have chance. Otherwise,
Yeah, maybe
with
not.
your solo stream maybe. Otherwise, we'll see each other on
Wednesday.
Monday, my stream. I'm trying to be there. I mean, maybe not, because we're gonna be. Are we gonna be in Hampi?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be in a new place, and maybe better Wi-Fi, maybe no Wi-Fi as a life. And we'll try our best for Wednesday, because until then, like, we have no excuse, because we're gonna still be in Hampi, I guess.
Yeah.
And other than that, nothing. So thank you for being here, and see you everyone, and have a good day. And yeah, so see you Hikisi, see you Kochi, and a lot. Slayer, is it there? No, Slayer's gone. And some other peeps. Bye bye. See you.